comms right there. I'm not gonna lie, they needed comms right there. I forgot I was on mute that whole time I was talking. Oh, we got the double. Oh, he didn't pull it off though. His teammate clutched it. Assist. Saved him. We're gonna try to hold P3 down. Can they do it? He gets one. This dude ain't got a kill yet. Swag's kill leader. I want to say he did good in the last time they played too. VESL was game 3 last time. I want to say they fucking 250s owed them, if I remember correctly. Oh, the ball player now with the high KD. Their kill leader. Team bomb. Kill leader. Oh, he almost fell off the double. Behind him. Sorry, coming back through though. Whoa. Yo. Each other over there, though. Oh no, I see him. I see him. There's two of them. I just double kill, then dies. He knows he's in there. It's obvious. Whoa. Whoa. Lights right now, like holy shit. God, control sucks. Control's possibly the worst game. The podcast. It never wants to work. Cookie, what you got, Cookie? Oh, come on. His shit might be lagging like this. And you your shit might be lagging just like the stream. Look at the views, guys. The views are great. Who just doesn't love to watch this? Just lag for 2 minutes. Watch from this POV. Ooh, jump over the lockdown. Man, I gotta get on point though. You can't leave point open like that. Left side, gotta get him. Gotta get him front. Jump over, got him. Oh, yes, sir. Watch the back. He's coming in. Oh, took him out. He's got the heady. I'm pissed I can't see like the time, the anything. Ticks, none of that. Control's horrible too. Podcast. Horrible game. Call of Duty make your game better. Whoa, the grenade kill. Gritty at B. Chat, don't you hate spectating this? Because I do. For sure do. .3-0. I hate God Justice. Game mode. 6 and 7. Damn, that boy went 20 and 5. What? This man just said if they lag out, keep going. Whoa, why did I load in late? No, back to what I was saying though. Bro just messaged me. This man's right here, let's go to him. He ain't even alive. He's not even alive. Anyways, this man just messaged me and said if his player leaves mid-game, they're in a 3v4 for game 2. Like, bruh. They're taking the dub. They want it. They want the dub, chat. They're going for a 3-0. Bro, if they go undefeated this season, that would be crazy. I am not gonna lie. I was hoping my clan would be pretty decent, and yeah, they're not doing shit. Cookie said he thought it was a hard point. Crack, no comparison. Let's just put it this way. At least CNC isn't getting 250 0, 6-0, and 3-0. They're trying to put up a fight. I mean, they got 3-0. If they get 6-0, that's dirty, but at least they didn't get 250 0. That was crazy. I've never seen that. Them boys are some sweats, I'm not gonna lie. This team right here goes crazy. VESL. He sent me the name too, and I completely fucking forgot what he said. Whoa, he just double killed him. Was that a double kill? Yeah. Wow. That's fucking aimbot. Did y'all see that shit, or am I tweaking? Alright, chat. I gotta go take care of some shit. Oh, he's going crazy. Oh, yep. He's on him. Oh, who's gonna get it? Oh, don't expose him. No, he barely saw his shoulders, bro. He walked out just a little too far. My bad. Wow, gunned him down instantly. 7-2, 8-1. One of their players is 0-2, and they're still haven't lost a round. They're picking up the slack for show. ran right past him. We seen him again. Yeah, bro, you seen him twice. That's all she wrote, chat. VESL some sweats, that be known.